The newly released TOPDON ArtiDiag 800 diagnostic scanner provides an affordable combination of OE-level diagnostic coverage and maintenance service features for more than 72 makes and models, with global multilingual support. The new Android 7.0 operating system is operated by a high-resolution 7-inch screen and powerful 1.5 GHz quad-core processor to support fast navigation and faster diagnostics. Operate your extensive vehicle coverage for a full workday with the 6100 mAh lithium polymer battery that guarantees 8 hours of continuous use. Identify and scan vehicle data faster with the AutoVIN and AutoScan features to carry out repair diagnostics quickly and accurately. Run full diagnosis across all vehicle systems and electronics, including read and clear codes, viewing real-time data, and retrieving ECU information. Over 15 reset and relearn services are accessible for complete maintenance, including oil reset, electronic parking brake reset, steering angle calibration, throttle matching, TPMS, and others. The ArtiDiag 800 is designed with more competitive and user-friendly operation features you would not expect from such an affordable scanner. You can also detect the battery voltage in real time to easily determine if the voltage range is normal. You can maintain the software updates regularly by the Wi-Fi wireless connection to make sure you are operating the latest coverage. The ArtiDiag 800 is a valuable scan tool supported by a trusted diagnostic provider. TOPDON Diagnostic Innovation.